Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Stripe billing for CRM Subscription Management step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Stripe website. Log in to your Stripe account with your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the billing section in the dashboard. Click on Billing to access subscription management features. Next, find the Products tab within the Billing section. Click on Products to view any existing products or create a new one. To create a new product, select Add Product. Fill in the product details, including the product name and description. Set the pricing details according to your subscription plan. Next, click on Add Pricing to define the pricing model. Choose between one-time charges or recurring subscriptions. For recurring subscriptions, specify the billing interval, such as weekly or monthly. After setting up your product, save your changes. Now, navigate to the Customers tab in the Billing section. Click on Customers to view your existing client list. To create a new customer, select Add Customer. Fill in the customer's information, including name and email address. Click Save to add the customer to your list. Return to the Subscriptions tab in the Billing section. Select Add Subscription to link a customer to a subscription. Choose the customer you just created or want to bill. After selecting the customer, choose the product you created earlier. Configure the subscription settings according to your preferences. Review the subscription details and confirm they are correct. Once satisfied, click Create Subscription to activate it. You will receive a confirmation message once the subscription is successfully created. Finally, monitor your subscriptions through the dashboard to manage billing and customer records effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.